Hi there! In today's video, we will be talking about how to add shopping cart to Squarespace. Without wasting any time, let's jump into it. So now we are on Squarespace. Let's just choose a template to use for this tutorial here. Let's click on Start with this design. Let's also put a site title here. Now let's try to edit this. Just click on the Edit button here. After that, hover over the header section. Then click on Edit Site Header. Next, click on the Add Elements button here. Then you just have to toggle on the cart option. As you can see, a shopping cart now appears here. To edit this, hover over the cart icon, then click on the pencil icon. As you can see, you may change the style of the icon here. You can also make it a text instead. Let's just choose the icon style here. And then let's select one style option. You can also adjust the size if you want, but I'm just gonna leave it as default. You may change the border style as well here. Also, its thickness or if you want the texture solid. Then to show the number of your customers or visitors' orders, you just have to toggle this on. On the display, it shows 0 because the cart is currently empty. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can simply add shopping cart to Squarespace. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for joining us today and see you in our next video.